Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today is recipe 4. I was going to put 2 up, but 4 in the 12 cookies of Christmas. Today we're going to do a flourless peanut butter cookie. Now, there's some information about this cookie. This is a cookie that I discovered way back when I was diagnosed as gluten intolerant. And I found this cookie and it was a savior to me because with no flour and no gluten, all it has is peanut butter, sugar, vanilla. I forgot what else was in it. And an egg. You mix it all together, you treat it just like a regular cookie, and it bakes up like a dream. I used to make these twice a week for me and my kids. It's probably why I have a few extra pounds on me, but they are so good. If you like peanut butter or any nut butter, it will work with any nut butter. You should try these flourless peanut butter cookies. You ready for this? Let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna wanna do is put our 1 egg in our bowl. Make sure you don't get any eggshells in it. Next, we're gonna whisk that up. All right, looks good. Now we're gonna add our peanut butter out of the ingredient cannon, our sugar, and our teaspoon of vanilla. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give that a good mix. Perfect. Look at that. All right, and now we're gonna move to putting them on the tray. So we need a scoop and a fork. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop out some of this batter and we're gonna put it right on our tray. All right, and once they're all scooped, we're gonna take our fork and we're gonna make the crisscross. Oh, what? Wait. No, we're not. We're gonna take a glass and we are going to carefully push these down into a cookie shape. Now, you don't want these to be too thin, but you don't want them too thick either. So you probably want 1/2 inch or so, and you won't have to worry about it sticking because they never stick to the glass. But we're gonna take it and go, doop. Look, I say that and then it sticks to the glass. Oh no, there it goes. Oh my, that would have been hilarious. Okay. Man, they're sticking today. But they're not sticking badly. They're just kind of sticking as I say that. I need to stop talking. I'm jinxing myself. Okay, close enough. Now we're gonna take our fork. They're peanut butter cookies, so you know what we have to do for the peanut butter cookies. We have to make that crosshatch. So to make that crosshatch, I am going to take my fork and go one way, lift up, and then go the other way. All right, and check those out. Looks good, right? All right, now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some coarse sea salt over the top. You can also do this with sugar, but the salt really does help bring out the peanutty flavor in the cookies. And there we have it. Now into the oven, it's going to go 350 for 10 minutes. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, they are out and they have been cooling on the pan for about 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna transfer them to a wire rack. But you guys, can you believe how beautiful these look and that they don't have any flour in them? This is a real cookie. You know now why I made them a couple times a week that first year or two. Yeah, they're so good. This recipe also makes about 24 cookies, so 2 dozen cookies with 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a little bit of sprinkled salt. Like, what? Also, if ever I forget to say the recipe out loud, you can always find it on my website or linked in the info of this video. I have a printable. It's also just in plain text on the website. My website isn't one of those annoying websites where you have to scroll for 7 years to get the recipe. There might be a couple ads on there, but the recipe is right there. I'm not gonna tell you what my grandmother's favorite color is and why she chose that color back in 1864. No, I'm just gonna give you the recipe. So if you ever need the recipe, it is there on the website. But here we go. The most fabulous flourless peanut butter cookies. They're still warm. It's fine. We're gonna eat them. They're delicious. I shouldn't have picked them up yet, but that's okay, because I'm gonna eat them and they're gonna be so good. If you like peanut butter cookies, these cookies are so good. Let's look at the inside. Look at how beautiful the inside looks. Would you believe there's no flour in it? And that coarse sea salt on the top. Every little bit of salt that like you get on your tongue, it just goes, wow. There's a reason I haven't made them in a long time though, because they're too good. They melt in your mouth. They're fantastic. And protein packed, because they're practically just peanut butter and sugar. Maybe they're not too. That's a lot of sugar, but it's okay. They're cookies, they're supposed to be sugary. So once these are completely cooled, they set up really, really well. But when they're warm, they will crumble, as you saw, and then I ate. It's fine. They're delicious cookies. You should try them, especially if you're gluten-free and you haven't seen this before. This is gonna rock your world. If you like peanut butter, this is gonna be your cookie. All right, you guys, well, that's it for me. If you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing the 12 cookies of Christmas right now, and this is cookie number 4. What's gonna be number 5? Well, we'll wait and see tomorrow. All right, you guys, we'll see ya. Bye. Tell your mom she should make them. They're real good. If you guys are peanut free though, make them out of sun nut butter. It works.